In this short video, we'll show you how to select the correct Zirlux print profiles on your Asiga printer software. Before opening the Asiga software, navigate to the Asiga account portal on your browser and sign into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Material Library tab and scroll down to the Zirlux library. Select Zirlux to show the compatible profiles for your Asiga printer and download the profiles needed. Once downloaded, open your validated Asiga printer software and navigating to the printer settings. This is where you'll choose your Zirlux material profile. To import the Zirlux profiles you've downloaded, select Material Profile Settings. Then select Import Material Profile. Highlight your downloaded profiles and select Open. Once imported in the Material Selection menu, you may see multiple options, such as Zirlux Print Resins and other validated resins. Be sure to select the Zirlux Print Resin profile to ensure accuracy and predictable results. Once selected, your print settings are optimized for Zirlux resins, ensuring accuracy, reliability, and a perfect fit. Zirlux Print Resins, trusted performance for every print. For more tips, visit Zirlux.com.